Hello everyone, this is Lionel and welcome to Music for Soul. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Let Go, Let God by Cassidy. This song is so fun and easy to play. So without further ado, let's go right straight into the video after the intro. The chord progression of this song has only 4 chords, which is E minor, G, C, and lastly, B7. You can play B7 like this, or if it's too hard for you, you can only play plain B major. It's okay. And by strumming, you can just count 4, and it's okay. It's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on and so forth. So until you're gonna finish the song, it will be just like that. And you will have fun playing with this song already. Okay, now let's begin with our intro. For the intro, we're gonna go like E minor. We start with the chord E minor, and then G. Let's go to C, and then B7. Let's start. Then verse right away. So for the verse, it's the same chord progression as I said earlier. Start from E minor, G, C, and then B7. We go like this. My fear got me struck down, got me knocked down by the hands of the enemy. Those lies had me held down till I found out that is not my identity. Then let's go to our pre-chorus with the same chord progression. E minor, I found my life when I laid it down. B7, E minor, I know my hope is in you now, my faith is in you, Jesus. Like that. And then the same with the chorus, E minor, I'm learning to let go, let God show me how to be me. I'm learning to let go, let God, so I can be the real me. Your yoke is easy, your burden is light, my daily bread, my daily delight. I'm learning to let go, let God, so I can be the real me. So again and again, you are going to play the song like that. And then second verse, I'm giving up my heart for a new start, cause I've come to the end of me. I'm learning that in your love there is freedom, even for a wrench like I found my life when I laid it down. And all my hope is in you now, my faith is in you, Jesus. I'm learning to let go, let God show me how to be me. I'm learning to let go, let God, so I can be the real me. Your yoke is easy, your burden is light, my daily bread, my daily delight. I'm learning to let go, let God, so I can be the real me. I've been burdened. You know that part? So let's go to the bridge with the same chord progression. E minor. Let's start with E minor, and then G, C, B7. This is how I'm gonna play. I'm gonna show it to you. I've been hurting, I've been burning too long, too long. Fear is falling, chains are breaking so long, so long. I've been hurting, I've been burning too long, too long. Fear is falling, chains are breaking so long, so long. Let go, let God, let go, let God, let go, let God, let go. can be the real me. That's how we're going to play the song. So fun. It's very fun. That's it. With those chord progression, you can already play the whole song. I hope you enjoy our video and thank you for watching. I'll be making more videos like this, so please subscribe into my channel so that you will be updated whenever I upload a new video. Thank you everyone. God bless you and goodbye.